Hello, good morning, and namaste to you all, and welcome to my YouTube channel Ashish Creation. Here we are in the Dubai Mall and going to visit this mall today. We just entered from the gate and you can see the inside view. Millions of people they used to come here for the visiting and the shopping as well. It's a really nice and wonderful place. Last time I uploaded video about the aquarium which was inside this mall, and it's really wonderful. So the next video I will come with the waterfall which is remain on the top of the floor of this mall. It's also very nice and beautiful. So I will highly recommend to you, if you are in the UAE, please come and visit this mall. So it's a very nice place. This much for today. We will see in the next video. If you like this video, never forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Ashish Creation. Until that, keep watching, keep supporting and keep rocking guys, and enjoy the remaining video.